Wanting to add to my modest Camellia collection, I took advantage of the January sales and made a couple of purchases. Hello, I'm Elle. To find out more, watch this video. Welcome to Everbee Garden. The Camellia, the Japanese symbol of perfection and elegance, a recognition of talent, loyalty, and admiration. Inspired by Claire Morel's garden exhibit at last year's BBC Gardens World Live in Birmingham, with its white flowers and rich green foliage, giving a peaceful and elegant vibe, I wanted to add a white camellia to the mix, specifically Nuccio's gem. The camellias, when fully developed, can reach upwards of 10 centimeters in diameter and blooms from now, midwinter, to early spring. To pair with Nuccio's gem, I purchased Euonymus japonicus, Paloma bianca, another evergreen shrub, with very pale green to white tips, which gradually darken to a rich dark green foliage. The young light foliage appears in spring around the same time as the camellia blooms.